Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Vercel. So first of all, you need to come on vercel.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the dashboard itself, simply click on the option of the projects first. Then inside projects, click on the option of add new. Now over here, click on projects. Then you will be landed here on this page where you are going to see bunch of different options with the help of which you can create new project. So you can import it via your Git repository. You can also clone any kind of templates that are given over here. You can also provide the idea here. For example, let's say you can ask it to create a mini game application and it is going to automatically write the prompt for you. So now you can click on the option of build. So you can also build your application via the vo.app. So over here, as you can see, this is the prompt that it has generated automatically. So you can click on the option of enter. Now it is going to take some time and then it is going to create a snake game for you. So you just have to wait for some time until it is creating it for you. You will see the preview of your application over here in this particular section. So once you are done with this particular project, once it is created successfully and you are okay with it and you want to publish it, simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to give your project a name, so you can give any of the names that you want. Then click on the option of continue. Then again, you just have to click on the option of publish and publish this project. Now when you make this project public, when it is basically done successfully, you can come here on vercel.com. You can just simply refresh the page and you are going to see your project over here. So you can select your project and you can make changes into it right away. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.